This video is going to show you how to adjust the code if what you have is a problem with a single column. A single column looking like this, no other double columns, although this will also work if it's a single column on top and double columns underneath with no header. So it'll work for either of those type of videos. So first thing I do is I go to Edit, I go and grab the div code and I copy it. I bring it over here and I paste it. If there's a T head in here, I delete it. This TH needs to turn to a TD, and if it's not already centered, align equals center. We'll center it, and then bold it, and turn off the bold, and turn off the table data from table header. So now if I go and I look, I should have pretty much the exact same thing I had before. The only other things I do, I make sure all of these tags are green. If any of them are red, that means that one of them's off a bit, so I need to change it. And also, I go in and I turn off T-body, which I pasted in, and I turn off div, which I also pasted in. If I take a quick look, it should move. See the column expanding and contracting as I drag it. That's what the div will do for us. Next thing I do, now that it's all correct, I go in. At the end, I put in a few spaces, hashtag ADA. I go into the library, which is pretty easy because all of them are going in the same library because they're all part of the same unit. And then I save, and that one is done.